with NoodleBrain songs.
A baby boy was born one day in Bezo town so far away. On the 18th of July, 1980, a brighter future yet unseen. Part of the Madiba clan so proud, his father advised the king out loud. Roli Lala was his given name, but Nelson in school is what he became. Madiba, Madiba, stand up tall and free. Born in 1918 for equality. 27 years, yet his heart stayed strong. Freedom and fairness for everyone. Madiba, Madiba, remember the day. 1994, he led the way from prison cell to presidency. Showed the world how to live in harmony. When he was 12, his dad passed on to the great place he was taken along. In Sweeney he learned and grew. At Fort Harry he studied too. But he spoke up strong against unfair ways and was expelled in student days. He believed all people should live as one, no matter the color of anyone. If no degree, you'll have to wed. The region wisely but firmly said that wasn't part of Nelson's plan. So off to Johannesburg he ran. Security guard and law clerk too. Studied law, there was much to do. He married, had children, worked all day. In politics soon called his way. In 1944 he helped to say, let's build a youth league for the ain't saint. Secretary in 48, working hard to change the state. In 1952 to jail he went for standing up, his time was spent. Then with Oliver Tambo at his side, a black law firm opened wide. On June 26, 1955, the Freedom Charter came alive at Cliptown. People made their stand for justice in our land. In 1962, arrested again. 63, the Rivonia trial began. In 1964, prison doors closed tight, but Madiba's heart stayed full of light. 27 years behind the wall, yet forgiveness was his greatest call. On February 11, 1990, free from anger. Amazing Madiba, Madiba, stand up tall and free. Born in 1918 for equality. 27 years, yet his heart stayed strong. Freedom and fairness for everyone. Madiba, Madiba, remember the day. 1994, he led the way from prison cell to presidency. He showed the world how to live in harmony. And Tony would dream, he said goodbye, but his dream will never die. Remember Madiba's legacy, kindness, courage, and unity.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Join the new